This was I can't remember which award function was that, but this is probably नहीं स्टारडस्ट नहीं था ये स्क्रीन था शायद स्क्रीन था ना
I think Z था.
जी था जी हाँ so this was I was hosting and this I think was the first time I ever met her and interacted with her so स्टेज पे तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब ये जो कान में लगा होता है ये हमेशा आपको पीछे से बोलते रहते हैं कि अच्छा ये वाली ये ऐसे करो वैसे करो दे कीप गाइडिंग यू एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज यू इट्स स्क्रिप्टेड एंड एवरीथिंग बट behind the stage it was the first time we introduced to each other formally yeah so that who knew
Were you nervous?
no नहीं nervous क्या हो ना बस
छावा नर्वस होता है
But
क्या?
she was extremely sweet. She was extremely sweet. I didn't know that she would be knowing me, but she was extremely sweet.
Vanshika Verma.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
Hello,
Vanshika.
sir. Hi. Okay, I hope you're doing well. And actually, my question is for you. You know, aap and Katrina, ma'am. Everybody. So, can we expect a movie जिसमें आप और Katrina, ma'am, दोनों काम कर रहे हैं?
We would love for that to happen, genuinely. But we are waiting for the right script, the right kind of film to come together because it shouldn't just be made because we are going to be coming together, that we should be the perfect cast for that film, irrespective. And that's the script we are waiting for. And आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, I hope वो जल्दी हो, तो we are also waiting for that.
And adding to that, what kind of genre you would like to select for that film?
What kind of genre would you guys like to see us in?
Uh, Romance and action.
Romance and action?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, and one last, Krisha.
Which is your one favorite Katrina movie that you wish to see in the theater again?
Sing is King.
Nice movie.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that film. And I think that was one of the most brilliant, entertaining films and also welcome.
Yeah,
Loved. I still love it.
love it.
मैं कई बार उनको भी बोल देता हूँ कि कभी भी कुछ होता कंट्रोल उदय कंट्रोल so yeah these two films
But he deserves, sir. I mean, seriously. Yes,
Thank you so
yes,
much.
yes. He deserves everything. मतलब I must tell you guys, when we were doing prep for Chava, सुबह 3 घंटा वर्कआउट, शाम को 3 घंटा वर्कआउट, तलवारबाजी, घुड़सवारी, मतलब पूरा दिन मैंने इनको देखा है कि पूरा दिन बस मेहनत ही कर रहे हैं. सेट पे भी यस पूरा दिन मतलब हमारा पैकअप होता था कभी कभी रात को 10 बजे. पूरा दिन इतना एक्शन करने के बाद इट्स नॉट इजी कि उस सब कॉस्ट्यूम में हाथ में ढाल तलवार घोड़े पे बैठ के. अच्छा इन्होंने मुझे पहले ही बोला था कि मैं खुद घोड़ा चलाऊंगा. वी विल नॉट डू CG और VFX. ये खुद घोड़ा चलाना चाह रहे थे और चला भी रहे थे. तो पूरा दिन इतनी एक्शन करने के बाद हम सब घर जाते थे. ये 3 घंटा वही सेट पे इनकी वैन होती थी जिसमें जिम है, वहाँ पे वो जिम करते थे. मतलब मैंने तो यू वोंट बिलीव गाइस, जब मैंने राजे को शुरू में दिखाया था स्केच के संभाजी महाराज ऐसे थे, उनकी 60 किलो की तलवार थी और उनको ये वजन बढ़ाना था 6 महीने में. हमारे पास है ना 6 महीने का टाइम था. और 6 महीने के बाद जब हम शूटिंग का दिन आया और शुरू करने वाले थे, सेट लग रहा था 10 दिन के बाद, मुझे लगा फिर भी थोड़ा कुछ कम है. तो फिर हमने शूट 2 महीना और आगे पुश की और उन 2 महीने में तो इन्होंने जो कसरत की है और उसके बाद जब मिले तब साक्षात संभाजी महाराज थे.
You are one of the most hardworking out there. You are doing so many films right now. Even when we have conversations with directors in the industry, wish list होगी. उसमें top 3 में you are one of the actors who will be there in every actor's wish list. You are doing multiple films out there. In such a scenario, how do you balance your personal life with your professional life? You have a great bond with your family. We see so many pictures of you with your family. You are the ideal husband out there. How do you balance all this, being an ideal husband, being a great actor, being a star, and being a family man?
See, firstly, मैं जो हूँ मैं अपने परिवार की वजह से हूँ. उनकी परवरिश, उनका प्यार, उनका सपोर्ट ना हो तो forget all these big films and everything, मेरे से इतना काम नहीं हो पाएगा. Because of that peace of mind, because of that encouragement, because of that support that I get at home is why I can do what I can do to the best of my capability. For me, my family, my home is primary. Everything comes after that. चाहे वो films हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, that is after that. So that has always been a constant. I derive my inspiration, my strength, everything from there. So वो मेरे लिए बहुत मैटर करता है. And yeah, so रही बात ideal husband, ideal son, ideal brother. As there is no such concept of being an ideal man, there is no such concept of being an ideal husband or an ideal son or an ideal brother. We keep evolving, we keep learning, we keep building our relationship. And that's what we all are doing. So, yeah.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.